Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make baklava with samosa sheets. First, gather all your ingredients, including the samosa sheets, your choice of nuts, butter, and sugar. Next, finely chop about 2 cups of your favorite nuts for the filling. Then, melt 1 cup of unsalted butter, which you'll use to brush each layer. Finally, prepare a simple syrup using 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water, setting it aside to cool. Now, let's start layering. Begin by brushing a 9 by 13-inch baking dish generously with melted butter to ensure nothing sticks. Carefully place 2 samosa sheets into the dish, making sure to brush each sheet thoroughly with more melted butter. Next, spread 1/4 of your prepared nut mixture evenly over these buttered sheets. Continue this process, layering 2 sheets, brushing with butter, and adding nuts until all the nut mixture is used. To finish the assembly, top your last nut layer with several more buttered samosa sheets, ensuring the top is well covered. Before baking, carefully cut the baklava into traditional diamond or square shapes. This makes serving much easier later. Now, bake your baklava in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until it turns a beautiful golden brown and is wonderfully crispy. Once your baklava is out of the oven and still hot, immediately pour the cooled simple syrup evenly over the entire surface. This allows the baklava to soak up all that sweet goodness. Let it rest for at least 2 hours or even overnight to fully absorb the syrup. For a perfect presentation, garnish with some chopped pistachios. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other deals. Serve your delicious baklava at room temperature and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.